You never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like pale, like Tommy just burst in the door. Started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh wait, no wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said... Nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka, Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around, rapping his you know what, flipping the you know who. Yeah, but he's so cute though. Yeah, I probably got a couple of screws up in my head loose, but no worse to what's going on in your parents' bedrooms. Sometimes I wanna get on TV and just let loose, but can't. But it's cool for Tom Green to hump a dead moves. My bum is on your lips. My bum is on your lips. And if I'm lucky, you might just give it a little kiss. And that's the message that we deliver to little kids, and expect them not to know what a woman's clitoris is. Of course they're gonna know what an course is. By the time they hit 4th grade, they got the Discovery Channel, though. We ain't nothing but mammals. Well, some of us cannibals who cut other people open like cantaloupe. But if we can hump dead animals and antelopes, and there's no reason that a man and another man can't elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. When you wear your pantyhose, signature is anytime. I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Will Smith don't got a cuss in his raps to sell records.